The first thing you'll need to do is download the Microsoft Office 365 app from the Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Just type in Microsoft Office 365 in the search bar, and once you find it, click the Install button. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and open Microsoft Office 365. When you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner and click on Apps. From the list of options, click on PDF Tools, and then select Pictures to PDF. Now it's time to choose the photos you want to include in your PDF. You can select a single photo or multiple photos from your gallery. Once you've made your selection, click the Add button in the top right corner. Before creating your PDF, you have the option to do some basic image editing. You can add color effects, crop the images, or even reorder the photos to your liking. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Finish. Now, give your PDF file a name. After saving, look at the bottom corner and click on Save to Device. Now look at your PDF file. And that's it. You successfully created a PDF from your photos right on your mobile device.